Running a PHP files is always a big problem for most beginner PHP developers, but today this problem will be no more. I will be teaching you how to run your PHP project with XAMPP. Firstly, open your browser and search up XAMPP downloads. Once you are in that website, and click on PHP 8.16 or anything that is in the bottom. Once it has been downloaded, go to the .exe files and double click on it. Just keep clicking on next and make sure all of the checkboxes are ticked. Since I have downloaded XAMPP beforehand, the pop-up is saying that the folder is not empty. Now that XAMPP has been installed, go to XAMPP control panel and click on Start for everything. Make sure not to repeat my mistake and click it one at a time. Looks like Apache is unable to start. To fix that, click on Config on the Apache row and click on Apache httpd.conf and search for any line of code that has number 80 on it and change it to 8080. This occurs because the port 80 is being used, so 8080 is a great alternative port. Next, click on Config again, and this time click on Apache httpd-ssl.conf and this time search for any line that has the number 43 and change it to 4343. By doing that, now we are able to run Apache by clicking on Start, and it works. Now we will be moving on to create our PHP project. To start off, we go to the XAMPP file and then click on HTC docs and create a file. In this case we will name in PHP programs. Then click on it and create a text document, and do not forget to put .php on it. Open the file on Notepad, and in this file we will make it print out Notchmods. Once done, do not forget to save the file by constantly spamming on Ctrl+S. Open your browser again and type in localhost / the folder's name and the PHP file. It appears that I might have encountered an error. Let me fix that. Okay, I have just realized my mistakes. My first mistake is putting HTTPS. Do not do that. Second mistake is not putting the port number after the local host. I guess it works, as it is displayed Notchmods. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and please give it a big thumbs up and see you next time.